On the edge of the Arabian Gulf, towering glass high-rises emerge directly from the ancient desert. Below these structures, the traditions of the Bedouin still dictate the rhythm of the night. While most global economies struggle with rising fiscal pressure, this peninsula maintains a unique position. This environment is the result of specific engineering. It requires intense localization rules and significant financial investment to sustain a high-functioning society against extreme environmental costs. Analyzing Qatar requires viewing the state as a meticulously master-planned closed-loop machine engineered for a very specific socio-economic output. The state's wealth is anchored here, at the shoreline. By managing the world's third-largest liquefied natural gas reserves, Qatar executes high-volume hydrocarbon extraction. Under this framework, a corporate salary bypasses all government deductions. The figure on your contract is exactly what arrives in your bank account. High-tier professionals frequently secure tax-free packages ranging from $4,000 to over $9,500 every month. However, these opportunities are gated. The state applies strict national localization benchmarks to keep the expat-to-citizen ratio within a specific predetermined range. The engine is designed for rapid financial growth, but the state dictates exactly who is permitted to participate based on their immediate corporate utility. Access to this system begins at a highly digitized gateway. Over 100 nations currently hold visa-free entry status, streamlining global business and tourism. Specific corridors have precise requirements. Indian passport holders must provide a physical hotel booking confirmed exclusively through the Discover Qatar portal prior to arrival. Transitioning to long-term residency requires corporate sponsorship. This process results in a Qatari residence permit, the mandatory digital credential for professional residency within the state. Once inside, residents operate within a dense 24/7 surveillance grid. This oversight, combined with strict legal deterrence loops, reduces violent crime and theft to nearly zero, allowing for total peace of mind. The order of the society is a calculated result. It is the direct output of a data-driven security infrastructure that leaves nothing to chance. This chart illustrates the financial overhead of the machine. The Qatari Riyal is rigidly pegged to the US dollar at 3.64, but luxury rents in waterfront sectors like Lusail often range from $1,600 to over $2,500 a month. Then there is the physical cost. From May to September, a subtropical desert climate pushes temperatures toward 50 degrees Celsius, forcing daily activity indoors. The environment reactivates between November and March. During this winter window, temperatures stabilize, and the population returns to historic social centers and outdoor hubs. Cultural heritage remains the system's anchor. National pride is centered on Majboos, a spiced aromatic dish of roasted meat and rice, accompanied by sweet karak tea. Succeeding within the Qatari Blueprint means generating enough capital to out-engineer the climate, finding a balance between air-conditioned luxury and Bedouin hospitality. To see the extreme contrasts of this geography, you have to travel to Khor al-Adaid, the inland sea. It is one of the few places on Earth where massive desert dunes drop directly into the deep blue waters of the ocean surge. Qatar's ability to master these environments was demonstrated globally when it became the first Arab nation to host the FIFA World Cup. The takeaway is clear. Qatar offers a high-wealth sanctuary that demands adherence to its rules and its costs, but in return, it provides an unparalleled level of financial and personal security. Would you baseline your next professional workspace inside a tax-free natural gas empire where the desert meets the ocean? Let us know in the comments. Next stop, Moania, the rugged Carpathian castles and high-speed fiber networks of Eastern Europe. Subscribe to stay real.